Hi, everyone. We are Team 5, Pathos. And the question that we were really excited to answer this weekend was, how can we improve preventative care strategies for patients? And even though genetic testing is available today, a lot of it is still very expensive, and it's limited to specific tests for specific conditions and diseases. And so family health history remains really important in flagging risk factors. But a lot of this is done manually today, and there are certain kind of limited capability tools available, but we really saw this as an area where an AI-driven solution could unlock a lot of value, specifically around ingesting different types of data, sharing the family history with various stakeholders, your family, your physicians, and then most importantly, really gathering actionable insights, so allowing patients to interact with that data in a more familiar way and recommend next steps. So for our demo, I'll pass it on to...
Yeah, hi, I'm Dan. Well, for today, I'm Chloe. So let's imagine someone named Chloe Kim has discovered our app. She wants to figure out what to do with her family. She's expecting a baby. She wants to understand, is my health okay? Is my family's health going to be okay? Is my kid going to be okay when they're born? So against my better judgment, I'm going to do a live demo. Let's see how this goes. It's a hackathon, right? Okay, so Chloe has gone into our app. She logs in. She's like, welcome to the health genealogy app. We can see that we have all her information that she provided to us, pulled from like medical records, from an EHR, all these other things out there. We have a connection to her family history. Right down here, we have a somewhat pretty graph with all the information that she gave us to us. So you can see this is Chloe, this is her mom, her dad, that entire information. Given all the medical history that we have there, we can provide information about things that she needs to be mindful about, recommended lab work that she needs to do, and things that she needs to be aware of. But it gets better. So if she says, what is coronary artery disease? How do I learn more about it? She can come here and ask a question, and we can pull all that information right now for her, eventually, when things load. And we can give her information about the high-risk amount, what is happening. We can tell her precisely why that is happening. So let's take one like, let me choose Alzheimer's for fun. While that's happening, I'm going to do this also in real time. Okay. So Alzheimer's disease, let's see what it did. There we go, it's on a family tree. Because of the maternal side, we have that information here, so we can tell her exactly why she is at risk. The same thing, we have the ability to do a live open text question, so you can ask anything. Am I at risk of getting diabetes? We say yes, giving a family health history, blah, blah, blah. Maternal grandmother has that information and everything else there. You can see that as this network grows more and more, we can have more and more information about your health quality and your family's health quality, and done. We also did it in Korean for fun, if you were curious. And it works, which is wild. Questions?
Yeah, hi. Really love the interface, really love the problem that you're trying to solve. Something I'm kind of curious about originally is just, looks like you have some data inputs. Looks like it's most likely being sourced from the patient themselves or from the EMR. I was just curious about where you see your data inputs for a product like this.
All the above. So patients themselves will pull from medical records that they provide. So if you talk to your doctor 5 years ago, it's in their record, they can pull that in there. So we'll be relying on API integrations. One of the benefits of using these types of systems is that you can give us a flat file. You can take a picture from your phone and we pull that information in there. So whatever you know, we want to know about you.
Got it. Cool. And so like in this like specific case with Chloe, like would an example be like she could also source her own information, so she could actually interview her own family and get a history and then put that as an input?
Yes. One thing that we didn't demo here is that when you get to the family tree, if, let's say, her mom joins, that was the point of the building the Korean version, her mom joins, dad joins, we can actually pull the information directly, so you have the source of truth always present in there.
Awesome. Yeah, that's really important. Great. Thank you.
Thank you.